Hello, this is Mrs. Rice, and this is a brief screencast on how to set your paper up properly in MLA format. First, you'll visit the Insert button in the toolbar and find the drop-down area for Header and Page Number. Once you hover over Header and Page Number, another box will open, and you're going to scroll down and hover over the Page Number option, which will bring up a third box. In that third box, go ahead and click on the very first option, which will put the page number in the top right-hand corner of your page, which is where you want it. Next, you're going to move your cursor in front of the number 1 and hit Enter or Return to create a space so that when you go to print your paper, it will print properly and will not cut off your header. The next thing you're going to do is write your last name in front of the number and be sure to give it a space after. Next, you're going to click off of this section here that says Header Footer and begin to write the following information: your name, your teacher's name, the class you're in, and the date inverted. And by that, I'm going to give you the example of today's date, which would be 17 October 2018. Notice at this point that this is not in double space, which you will need, so you're going to highlight it, return back up to the toolbar, find the line spacing option, and choose double. At this point, you need a title. You'll scroll down and you're going to center your title. And you can do that by going back up to the toolbar and locating the Center Align option. And you can see that there's also a keyboard shortcut for this as well. And now you're set. Thank you.